Woke up the price of coke up. I just hit them with the low cut, then call my folks up. Somebody about to get poked up, go call a tow truck. All that talking out your neck might just get your throat cut. This a Mack truck, not a black truck. When we move, tell them back up. Click, click, clack, duck. Hella bands, pull up, stashed up. Super fast up. All you bitches, Rosa Parks. Uh-oh, get your ass up. Yikes, I play tag, and you it for life. Yikes, you a clown, you do it for life.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Today we'll be doing knotless plaits. This video was long overdue, but your girl is back. And I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and welcome to my channel. And please bring a friend the next time you come in so they could bring a friend too. Okay, so before you even start your knotless plaits, you just want to make sure that your client's hair is straight as possible because these plaits do start off with their natural hair. So if it is in its natural state, it won't last as long. So I make sure I straighten my client's hair straight as possible before I start. And with each section that I do, when I part it, I follow behind with the edge control or jam, but mainly the edge control because the jam is too watery, and clean that part up so the part will be clean as possible because clean parts give you life. It's like common sense. Like, what are you saying? Anyways, once you have them parts cleaned up, then you just want to go ahead and section out the little pieces that you'll be using. Okay, y'all, so here you can see I slowed it down for y'all so y'all can see what I'm doing. So I split the hair first in that long rectangle piece, and then my second half, I split it in half up and down. I take the bottom portion and bend it over to the top, and then take that top portion and bring it down to the bottom and braid it down twice before I start to add in the small piece of hair. So when I add it in, I bring that portion that I already added the hair to down, and a piece with no hair attached to it around that piece before I add in the second half. So I just continue to do the same process. So add in a piece of hair, braid one thing down, braid again, and then add in that second half of the hair and add another strand of hair before I braid down again. So that way it gets thick like how I need it to be, but not too bulky. And when it gets like that, you don't have to add any more pieces until you feel a light spot or like a thin spot that you need to thicken up. And then you just add a small piece before you go on. And you want to make sure that their natural hair is blending in with the braiding hair just so it could be a seamless plait. And here you see I'm adding in a little piece because of, like I told you guys, you need to add in a little piece just in case, it gets thin. And you just continue to plait down until, the braid is done. Okay, so now I'm on my last plait. We're just going to continue to do the same process, just adding in hair until we have the whole entire braid done. I wish I could braid this fast in real life, but we just humans, so that ain't happening. But once I'm finished with the braids, I just go ahead and clean up her edges with edge control. Now that I'm all the way done, I'm just trimming away any flyaways that she may have, any loose hairs from the braiding hair, anything like that. Then I take my spritz it up, get my mousse. My mousse. I love my mousse. Mousse that whole thing up. Then go back in again with my spritz just to seal that in. Blow dry everything so everything could be sealed in. And them parts is clean, girl. Them parts is clean. So now I'm just separating it into 2 halves because we about to dip these things. And you just want to have your hot water boiling by the time you're like halfway done with your last braid, just so the process could be easier for you, And when you dip your client's hair, you don't want to dip like too high up, because if they are natural, it will poof up, and you don't want all them hours that you just spent doing these nice ass braids to go to waste. So right here, I'm just dipping her hair in the hot water, you know, being very careful, making sure not to burn her, making sure that my ends are super straight. And I'm just doing it section by section. Like I said, to get the best results, you have to do it section by section. It may be time consuming, but it gives you clean results. And that's what we're here for, clean results. So I have everything now dipped, hot watered, and it's steaming because the water is very hot. And then I go back in and finish cleaning up her edges once again. Okay, y'all, so now I'm back after I done cleaned them edges up, girl. But this is the final result. Be sure to like this video. Leave a comment down below of other future styles you want to see. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And if you're subscribed, bring a friend, because sharing is caring. Until the next video, y'all.
Yikes, I play tag and you it for life. Yikes, you a clown, you do it for likes. Yikes, yes it's tight, but it doesn't bite. Whip it right, he be like